Welcome to MadeTV.com. What is your name and nationality?
Okay. Hi. Good day. I'm Elsie in Tigbaldobe. I'm Filipino. I'm
What?
45. I'm,
Yes, yes. Go on, go on.
I'm 45 years old. I'm married. I have four children.
What kind of job are you looking for?
Um, Domestic helper and nanny job.
In which cities and countries are you willing to work?
I work in Dubai.
You want to work in Dubai.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me something about your work experience. What was your last job?
Um, I'm working in Hong Kong since 2006 till 2010 as a nanny of 6 months 6 months old baby girl.
Okay. And you're in charge of her. You're in charge of the
Ma'am?
baby girl.
Yes, ma'am.
You attended to all her needs, and did you also do some household chores inside the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what are your salary expectations?
Okay, 2,000 dirhams. Ma'am.
Okay. So as a nanny, which activities
Yes.
do you perform with kids?
Okay. I check the diaper to the baby and also to check also the milk to the baby if she's hungry.
Yes, but what activities? For example, are you going to teach them how to sing, how to read, how to write?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. I
Mm-hmm.
teach the baby to sing and especially to sing the alphabet.
Alphabet song. Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do to calm him down?
Uh, so I carry the baby, I put in my shoulder, I birth the baby.
You will birth the baby, or you
Yes,
will check if the diaper is
the
full
diaper.
and
Yes,
if
ma'am.
she's hungry, or if she's not feeling well. Okay. If one of the children hurts himself, what will you do?
Ma'am.
If one of the children hurts himself, what will you do? For example, they're playing, and all of a sudden, one of the children accidentally
Yes.
bruise himself. What are you going to do?
So, um, I do first aid.
Okay, good. And
Yes, ma'am. And call, especially I call to my employer.
you will call your employer to inform
Yes,
her
ma'am.
of what happened. Okay.
Ye-
As a
Yes, ma'am.
housemaid or as a housekeeper, which task will you perform every day in the house?
Yes, ma'am. So I do cleaning inside the house. Then
Mm-hmm.
I wash the clothes, ironing, uh, cook the food, and
Mm-hmm.
then um, I look first the baby, and then after that I do the household chores.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. The Filipino food and a little bit Chinese food.
Chinese foods. How long do
Yes.
you plan staying in your new job? How long?
Okay. 2 years
2 years.
and more. Yes.
2 years or more. Are you in good health? Are you in good health?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in good health?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, hello. Are you in good health?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you comfortable with animals such as cats and dogs, for instance?
Yes, ma'am.
Why should you be hired? What qualities do you have that makes you different from the other applicants?
Um, okay. So
What qualities
I
do you have? Are you hardworking, honest,
Yes,
responsible? What?
yes, ma'am. I'm
Mhm.
honest, hardworking, and understanding.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
So my hobbies is reading
Mm-hmm.
books, pocket books, and tips to the children, especially the children.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for your time, Elsie. Please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from ATV.com. Thank you.